Oh dear. R.I.P. He's doing a burnout in front of the police. Oh no. Hi, I'm Adam C and welcome to Reading Japanese Meet, which tonight is moist. So, we're capturing cars leaving, so enjoy the video. The wind and the rain is not ideal. The MX-5 is getting the angle. Be careful, your car might turn into a boat. Oh, his windscreen's steaming up a little bit. Traction control did not like that. Your light's not lighting. Your light doesn't light, mate. Oh. Very nice, guys. Whoa! Jesus! Mr. 2 is looking nervous due to its mid-enginesness. The umbrella is going literally bananas. The micro is not. Revolutions and clutch can be smelt. Righty-ho, chaps. Oh no, stand back. They see me rolling. Why ever would you need a fire engine at this time? Surely there's enough moisture in the air. Oh, a burnout's about to happen. It's a different kind of smoke now. Let's see a little bit of speed. Oh-ho! Oh-ho! The Mercedes is doing an un-Mercedes thing, and that is braking traction. Steady as she goes. Oh, what a maniac! Indicate, and he put his fingers up at that car. Even that was random. What a punchy shift. You might as well go. Just go. Do it. You can do it. Go. 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 Okay, now. That's artistic. Everything looks better in the wet, especially girls. We have a fatality of the evening. R.I.P. to Billy's umbrella. Well, here's hoping that my one stands up. This MX-5 has noise about it. Let's hear the noise. Ready, set, go! he knows exactly what he is after tonight. Don't think he's going to find much of that. Not here anyway. The green mobile is back, not that you can see because there's water. Oh, it has multicoloured neons. Check it out. Wow, bring neons back everyone. It's the way it's done. All of the colours. Another car with a snorkel to deal with the moisture. Whoa! He was using like momentum to keep it going. Lesson 1 of learning to drive. Turn your lights on. There we go. He's getting egged on to do some bits, but oh, he stalled. It's alright, we weren't filming. I think the police have just gone after that PS13 that did a little skidderoo. Oh look, neons! What have we here? It's the lorry pulling a lorry! Splashing! Potential. That rocks my umbrella. She slid it nicely. Go on, he says. Go on, do some MX-5 things. Here we go. Why are the blue lights on? Ooh, oh. I think he probably heard what just happened and is off to investigate. The chap in the Peugeot is topless. They're both topless. Oh, maybe they got a bit too moist. He's doing a burnout in front of the police. Oh no! Oh no! Are they going to let him off? Surely not. I think it's blatantly obvious what's about to happen. Yeah, he got a little flash. Yeah, we all knew. Is he actually running away? He's kept going. No, he's gone. the lights. Oh, I looked directly at the light. The van is back. He's getting an applause. I think he got done. They're telling him to do it again, but I don't think he will. He's getting overtaken. Ha! Whoa, he wiggles now. They see a skyline, they want the send. I don't think they're going to get the send. Let's see. They like the yellow headlights. I prefer the white Toyota Chaser. Look at that. Everyone loves the white Chaser. Do they love the white Chaser? They're ignoring the white Chaser. There's a white Chaser there, guys. Okay, Civic first. And now the Chaser. But I think from a very wet and moist night at Reading Japanese Meets, that was pretty much that. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Go follow me on Instagram for the updates and highlights about these meets that I go to. But for now, thanks for watching.